It was a warm, golden evening in Kingston, Jamaica, as 18-year-old Richard Cole gazed up at the stars twinkling above. His afro curl bounced with each movement of his head, as he often wore it in a low ponytail, tied with a colorful string. Richard's eyes shone bright with a dream, one that had been burning within him since he was a young boy. He wanted to reach for the stars, literally. Richard was not your average 18-year-old, he was a young astronaut in training, selected by NASA for a prestigious program that would launch him into space. Growing up in Jamaica, he had been inspired by the country's rich history of innovation and achievement in the face of adversity. He knew that if he could make it to space, he would be representing not just himself, but his entire nation. As Richard walked through the streets of Kingston, the sounds of reggae music and laughter filled the air. He smiled, feeling the rhythm of the island coursing through his veins. His grandmother, a wise and loving matriarch, had always told him that the secrets of the universe lay in the intricate patterns of the island's Afro-Caribbean cultures, the way the curls of the hair mirrored the spirals of the galaxies. Richard's mind wandered to his next challenge, the Mars expedition program. He would be one of only a handful of astronauts selected for a historic mission to the Red Planet. He visualized himself walking on the Martian surface, the crimson landscape stretching out as far as the eye could see. The wind whispered secrets in his ear, and he listened intently. With a newfound sense of purpose, Richard made his way to the community center where he had set up a makeshift workspace. His hands moved swiftly and precisely as he assembled his spacesuit, the Jamaican flag emblazoned proudly on the shoulder. He took a moment to glance at a small, silver pendant around his neck, a gift from his grandmother, with a tiny, golden curl suspended within it. As he strapped himself into the simulator, the sounds of Jamaica faded into the background. The roar of the rocket engines, the hiss of oxygen, and the hum of the spacecraft's systems enveloped him. Richard closed his eyes, feeling the rush of adrenaline coursing through his veins as he blasted off into the unknown. In that moment, he knew he was not just an astronaut, but a symbol of his nation's unyielding spirit. He was a Jamaican, reaching for the stars, and the universe was his playground. The wind, the trees, and the island's rhythm merged with the sounds of space, creating a symphony that echoed through eternity. As Richard soared through the cosmos, the golden curl on his pendant seemed to shine brighter, as if it held the secrets of the universe within its delicate twists and turns. He knew that no matter where his journey took him, he would always carry a piece of Jamaica with him, in his heart, in his culture, and in the afro curls that bounced with every move.